Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to install Messenger on iPhone. So step one, open the App Store app, which is this blue icon. Then click in on this search field and type Messenger. Click on Messenger from the top. And this is the official Messenger app. Click on Get next to it. Sometimes the App Store asks you for your iCloud password. Type it and click on Install. An easy way to distinguish between the official Messenger app is by seeing the provider here, which is Meta Platform Inc. Also, the rating, as you see, this app got 12 million rating or voting. So this is definitely the official Messenger app. Once the download is completed, click on Open. And this is how to install the Messenger on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.